everyone, in today's video I will show you how to link your bank account to eBay so you can receive payouts directly. So let's get started. First, log into your eBay seller account and then go to My eBay on the top right side of your screen, and from the drop down menu click on Settings. Now here you will see, when you scroll down, the payments option, so you just have to click on that and you will see this kind of interface. Now you will see the add cards and account option. Click on the plus icon and then go on checkout. Hit the continue button and here you will see that you have to enter your bank details like account number, routing number, or IFSC code. Double check everything. eBay will ask you to verify your account, usually by sending a small deposit. Confirm that amount is in your settings, and that's it. Your bank account is now linked, and you will start receiving payments directly. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.